welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to paint roses on fondant so you can fancy up your cakes and your biscuits and impress your guests. Plus this is great for you to do with your kids so you can get the creativity going and you can have fun together. So let's get started. You can do this on cake or biscuit or anything covered in fondant really. I'm going to do mine on my shortbread biscuits because they are buttery and flaky and delicious. If you want to see the video on how to make a quick, simple one bowl shortbread biscuits, I'll leave a link to that below. Need your fondant and roll it out to about 2 to 3 millimeters thick if you're covering biscuits. If you're going to do this on a cake, cover your cake as you normally would. Now decide on how wide you want your fondant to cover your biscuits by measuring with a cookie cutter and then cut out your shapes. I find if I place my fondant on my biscuits straight away, the fondant sticks to my cookie nicely and I don't need to add any buttercream or jam to stick it down. But if you'd like some flavour between your fondant and biscuits, then you do whatever tickles your fancy. Now onto the fun bit, the painting. You need to use a food gel paste, not food colouring like the liquid one, because the liquid one, if you use it, it'd be just like you're going to give like a whitewash on your painting and it's going to just be all watery and it's going to make all the sugar dissolve and make the fondant all mushy and it's going to like ruin everything. So we don't want to use liquid food colour, we need to use the liquid gel, not liquid, we need to use the food gel paste because the paste will come out thick and it'll be like you're using paint. You can also add a tiny few drops of vodka to your paint, which will like loosen up a bit to give you a bit more flow with your painting, and it will also give you a shiny finish, but I'm not going to be using that today. I'm just going to use the paint straight out of the pot because I don't mind how thick it is because I like that look, but you can decide if you want to use the vodka or not. Start with your rosebuds, paint a little circle, just dab and wiggle your brush a tiny bit to make it look fluffy. This will give us the look of a few petals. Add a little more colour to one side to give it a 3D effect. Then use your finished brush, add some green and in a quick sweeping motion paint on your leaves. You can add 1 or 2. I like to add a few loose leaves to fill in the gaps as well and make it look a little bit more fancy. And it's that simple. Just repeat on your biscuits or all over your cake and then you can show off your fantastic creations which look much harder to create than they really are. Don't forget to let your kids join in, they're going to love it and even the youngest in the family will have fun watching. And here's a little tip, don't limit yourself to just using red and green, use all the colours or any colours that you like, and you don't have to just paint roses on your fondant, you can paint sunsets, trees, animals, words, whatever tickles your fancy. And if you do paint on fondant, I'd love to see your creations. Tag me on Instagram at @gg_mix. Thanks for watching, bye! And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get updated when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching, bye!